Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Rocky grinder with us in the shop. Um, and the reason it came in just for general cleaning on the burrs and on inside the grinder. So I did take some photos. Sadly, I did not take photos of before I cleaned it, but I took some photos of after I cleaned it. And so let's try to get it focused so it doesn't. There you go. So as you can see, I cleaned the entirety of the inside of the grinder, so that's we did not replace the burrs. I did just put the old burrs back, but I did clean the old burrs, and you can see the bottom of your grinder all clean, no coffee in there. This is with the screws on, and then that's the upper burr. Did clean that too, as you can see, clean through and through. And yeah, and so we just cleaned out the inside of the grinder. Sometimes you just need to do that just because it gets clogged up with a bunch of stuff, and you know, it's always good to do general maintenance on any of your machines, especially your coffee machines, because a lot of stuff gets, clogged with oils from coffee, as you can see from this. That's all coffee oil. Now, you're going to see that the spout is nice and blue, pretty, and the hopper is not. The only reason I cannot clean the hopper is, one, if it's any moisture goes into your grinder, kind of bad. But secondly, if I did soak this, so I soaked this entire unit, which is why it's super clean, super neon blue, in coffee detergent. If I were to soak that, one, the sticker might peel off, and two, it might just make or mess with the hopper, and so I didn't want to do that. But I did do it to the spout because it's really pretty. But yeah, now we're going to test the grinder. We're going to go through every stage from 40 to 10, just looking at the coarseness of the grinder. Again, these are old burrs, so it's always good to replace your burrs on your grinders. That's what I always recommend. There we go. So I'm just going to catch some here. Let's see, that's pretty coarse. Kind of like gravel. You could keep going past 40 also if you want to go more coarse. At fineness, you want to kind of stop around the 10s because at that point you're going to start closing the burrs on themselves. But we're going to jump it to 30. Grind them a bit. Catch a little bit of that. And it's more finer. Then we're going to jump it to 20. Catch that. More fine. And then we're going to jump it to 10, and this will be the last one we go to. And this is really fine. This is more towards the espresso range. And you can see it's like powder. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.